Hi, welcome back to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to solve one question which is related to first derivative test, how to find local extrema and how to determine increasing decreasing functions. Let's read the question. Find the local extrema of f of x and the intervals on which the f of x is increasing or is decreasing, and the function is f of x equals 2x square minus 8x plus 4. So if you want to do this question, before that just watch the video under the playlist Calculus 1. The title is Module 3 4.3 Local Extrema and Increasing Decreasing Intervals First Derivative Test. This is the title of the video, right? So usually I number the videos for higher classes, but here I did not number the video, but still it's okay. You can go with this video title. Let me explain the steps. What are the steps you're going to follow? Step number 1. Step number 1 is you're going to find f dash of x. And step number 2, you're going to find f dash of x is equal to 0. So when you get f dash of x equal to 0, you will get what? Critical points, right? Yes. Critical points means what? Where the function turns to increasing or decreasing, right? Then the step number 3 is you're going to make the table. What you're going to make the table, right? The table is consisting of few columns. What are they? The columns are intervals first, and then you're going to take the test point, right? Some test point on that, and then you're going to check your f dash of x in the function will be here, and you're going to put your test point in the f dash of x. Then you're going to get with the signs, which is plus or minus or whatever it is, okay? Then you're going to talk about what? The behavior of the curve, right? Behavior of the curve, right? Is it okay? Right. So behavior of the curve you're going to see, right? For example, suppose I get a critical point as number 5. And what are the intervals you need to take? Here is minus infinity, here is plus infinity. So you'll take an infinity from minus infinity to 5, right? And then you take the next interval as 5 to infinity. These are the things you have to take it. So test point, you can take easy point 0, and easy point you can take 6. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. Suppose you get a critical points, x is equal to some 1 and x is equal to some minus 5, for example. So draw the sketch. So this is your point 1 and this is your point negative 5, and this is your minus infinity and this is your plus infinity. So what you need to do, you need to jump from here and from here to here, right? And here to here. So what will be your intervals? Minus infinity comma minus 5 and minus 5 comma 1 and then 1 comma infinity. So there are 3 intervals you need to take. Okay, right. Now the next is step number 4. The step number 4, after finishing this, you're going to say the local minimum value you're going to take it. Step number 4 is what? You're going to take it as what? Local minimum. So, step number 4 is you're going to consider increasing or decreasing. So when you will get increasing or decreasing, let me tell you how you will get increasing or decreasing, right? I told you in that video, but still I'm telling you, okay, right? If you get in the test here, the symbol, right? If you get the signs positive, if you get positive, then it is increasing, okay? If you get negative, then it is what? Decreasing, increasing and decreasing, okay, right? Then if the interval, suppose you get plus, minus, plus or minus, whatever it is, okay? Suppose you get plus 2 minus, suppose you get plus 2 minus, then it is called local maximum, okay, right? Suppose you get minus to plus, you will get local minimum. This is the question, very simple. After that, you are going to find if it is a maximum value or minimum value, you are going to find any one thing, max or minimum value. It means what? You are going to put the x value in the given question. Okay, that's it, your ideas. So let me start the question. The function is f of x equals 2x square minus 8x plus 4. Okay, right. So f of x is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 4. Let me go with step number 1, f dash of x, okay, which is 4x minus 8. F dash of x equal to 0, that is step number 2. So which is equal to 0 implies 4x minus 8 equal to 0. So 4x is equal to 8. When I divide by 4, I get x is equal to 2, right? How many points you got? Only 1 point. And this point is called what? Critical point, where the curve turns to maximum or minimum, or increasing or decreasing. And step number 3, you are going to create a table. So for creating the table, just you draw one line, okay? Just mark the point 2, and here is minus infinity and plus infinity. You're going to check here and you're going to check here. That's it. So first I'm going to write interval in the table. Then I'm going to write the test point here. Then you're going to find f dash of x here, right? And f dash of x, let me write, what's your f dash of x? 4x minus 8. Then you're going to get sign. I'll write it sign, and then I will write behavior. There is no space. Okay, wait a minute. Behavior. Okay, right. So intervals are minus infinity comma 2 from here to here, and 2 comma infinity. Only 2 intervals. Okay, right. Let me take a test point, which is the easiest point is what? X is equal to 0, you take. Easiest point is what? X is equal to 3, you take it. So put x is equal to 3, 0 here. 4 minus 0 is equal to minus 8. And sorry, this is minus 8. Minus 8 is turning somewhere to the... So this is minus 8. And 4 into 3 minus 8, which is equal to 12 minus 8, which is going to become what? Which is 4. So here it is negative, here it is positive. Okay. So negative means what? Decreasing. I told you negative means decreasing. And positive means what? Increasing. Okay. Right. I'll show you what I wrote it here. See here. Negative means what? Decreasing. Okay. And positive means what? Increasing. Also I said positive to negative maximum. Negative to positive minimum. So go here, what you are getting? Positive to negative. So positive to, negative to positive. So negative to positive. So negative to positive means you will get minimum, which is called local minimum. Yes, negative to positive. So negative to positive is local minimum. That's it. Very, very simple. Okay. Now you write your answers. How are you going to write your answers? Where the function is decreasing? In this interval. Where is increasing? This is the place increasing. Now where is the place which is turns to local minimum? At this minus 2 plus. So at the point 2. So you're going to get step number 3 is finished. And step number 4 is increasing, decreasing is finished. And step number 5 is local minimum we are going to find out. So what's your function? F of x, which is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 4. You're going to put x is equal to what? 2, which is 2 into 2 square. I should not make mistakes. Okay, let me do. Now I'll do it manually. I'm not going to put it in the calculator. Okay, right. So this is equal to 4 into 2 is 8 minus 16 plus 4, which is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 6 is going to be minus 4. Okay. You got minus 4, right? At which point? At this point 2. So it means 2 comma minus 4. Okay. X point is what? 2. Y point is what? Minus 4. So let me write the answers. Answers very easy. Very easy to write. What are the things in the question they asked? In the question they asked where it is increasing, where it is decreasing, and where is the minimum value. Okay. Where it is decreasing, minus infinity comma 2. So minus infinity comma 2 is what? Decreasing. Okay. And where it is increasing, 2 comma infinity is what? Increasing. Okay. Right. And where is the local minimum value? So local minimum value is equal to what? Minus 4. But at which point? The point is 2 comma minus 4. That's it. So that's all this question. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have still some more questions or any doubts, right, please ask me. I'll try to clear it out. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.